This is the Fossil Cecile Rose Gold Analog Watch. The first thing that really caught my eye is the dial. It has the stone detailing around it, which makes it look very elegant and premium without being too loud. Inside the box, you get the watch, the Fossil warranty card, original tags, and the box itself. Everything feels very well packed and authentic. The watch has a clean analog dial and a solid rose gold stainless steel strap. It definitely feels sturdy in hand and the finish looks quite premium for everyday use. Once you wear it, you'll notice the dial is slightly on the bigger side and it does feel a little heavy, but personally I like that because it feels strong and well built. It sits nicely on the wrist and looks perfect for office wear or even casual outings. If you enjoy watching reviews like this, you can check out more videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.